it today because I actually see some road I want to launch it on. This is what it look like. Let's see her expression on her face. Actually, she's been driving in this car from Long Island to Manhattan almost every Today is the day. Check this out. Today is the day. Why are you laughing?
I need to change my shoes.
Today is the day. Today is the day. Let's go.
I need to change my shoes.
Today is the day I let her drive the X3M. You know what I'm saying? No, she does have a driver's license, but not from the good old USA. And I do not trust her on the road because she's impatient. So today is the day she gets to drive it. She keeps talking about our car. It's our car. I'm a car guy with no share car, you hear me? So yeah man, the signs are on. Today is the day man. I actually wash up the vehicle for her nice, you know. Wash up the vehicle for her nice, so let's see. Let's see how this turns out. Just went back inside, take off those ugly Uggs and put on some actual shoes that will work. So let's see man, she excited, you know. Cause let me tell you something, I can't believe how much she loves this truck. She seems to love the truck more than me, man. All she's talking about is X3M, every X3 she on the road. Every car she see, is this truck faster than that car? Is this truck faster than that car? She started to have me all self-conscious now, you know what I'm saying? But let me adjust the exposure. So let's see. Let's see. I mean, I think the inside of the car is fairly decent in terms of how clean it is. It's a work truck, man. It's my daily driver. You know what I'm saying? So we will see. That's her, of course. Keep her tone at the corner of the door, corner of the seat. Yeah, but we will see. This is what she can do. I won't say a word, I'll just let her explore. And this is what's taking so long though. Okay, she changed her shoes. Hold on. She changed her shoes. Yeah man, bring out the Chanel shoes to go drive. You're gonna ruin it. But yeah man, let's go. I'm not gonna say a word. Let's see if you can handle this by yourself. Yeah man.
Oh.
Is it too low? See if you can figure it out. Let me go wider with the lens. Can you figure it out? Up, up, up. Can you see over the dash?
Not really.
Do you need a cushion?
Probably, yeah. Am I supposed to see over?
I don't know. No. Can it go up any higher? I have the cushion in the back, you know. You need the cushion?
Yeah.
Let me get you the cushion. You tell me if you need it. You probably don't need it. The bucket seats, you're behind in that wide. You can either use the cushion or if that works for you. Can your feet touch the pedals?
Yeah.
The one that's important to me is the brake. Push the brake down.
No, I have to come forward.
No, man, why are you so far away? I don't trust you.
Put this there, that's why I put.
Alright, then you gotta come out. You gotta lower it and then come on. Lower it first. Alright. Alright. I think the round part go in the back.
Sure.
Take the radar detector out because this thing is annoying. Do I need to be in the car instructing you?
Maybe.
First thing is first. I bet you can't move the car off.
You gotta come
Drop the window. I'm trusting you not to destroy my vehicle. You know, you just buy it back. Simple as that.
Okay.
All right. So, you know to control the operate the shifter. The shifter.
What's the shifter?
Remember that kid came in here and was messing with it. The shifter.
This?
You know to operate the shifter down here.
This?
Yeah. Look at the top. Drive is to the right. Shift to the right. Just push it to the right. No. Yeah.
There's the button.
Knock it to the right. And look at the dash. And does it say P?
Yeah.
There we go. It says D1. It says D1 now. No, yeah, that's D1. Push it again one more time. You don't want to be in that mode because if you're in, you're going to have to manually shift it from the steering wheel.
Okay.
And we don't want that now. All right, so that's D1. Now there's reverse. Reverse is over the other way. No, the other way and then up. Over and then up. No. Towards you and then forward. No, towards you and then forward. Hold it, forward. It says R, see?
Okay.
Yes, but guess what? Come off the brake, we'll back out and then I'll jump in the car after.
Okay.
It's not gonna move, you know why? Let me just point out why. Took me a while to get used to it. So that thing that says P,
Where?
right there below the shifter.
This?
You see that?
It's the handbrake.
When you pull it up, it's like handbrake, so push it down and it goes off. The light goes out. Alright, so now the handbrake is released. Take your time and back out. Don't hit the pillars. Just take time back out, man, and face the direction we want to go. She's nervous as hell, but I'm going to calm her down. You're fine, just go, just back all the way out. Just go. All the way out. That's fine, go. All the way out. All right, I'm coming in now. Go. Straighten up. Put in drive. Okay, stop. I'm coming. Yes, boys, I have some footage I'm going to upload shortly. I made her drive the truck for the first time to the Whole Foods store. So we're off now. We're off again. Just leaving Whole Foods. Alright, let's boogie. Hold on. We do the adjusting home. All the way. You actually put the M mode on. Why you do that?
Because the road was clear.
Stay on your side. Alright, push the M button. She pushed the M button. Alright, see. Oh, you're getting nervous. Yeah, man. She experienced the M button now. It's gear down. Alright, I'll push the button. Alright. Don't floor it down now. Give it some gas. Let's see it sound. See that? Alright. Do it again. Just leave it. Alright, there we go. Good job, alright. Leave it on. It'll gear down for you. Keep going. You'll upshift and then it'll gear down. Just be careful when you're turning. Light throttle input. Okay, we made it home. We made it home. We're trying to navigate this thing here, which can be a disaster. So, this way. Come this way. Come. Come on. Come on. You got it. Come on. Such bravery. Alright, we're good. Hold on, it's a wrap. Let's see if we can secure it now by putting it in park. Pull up the emergency. We're good to go. Now you can clap yourself.